my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. Are we living and loving for the freshness, my darling? It is hot in London. Oh my God. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's raining. We get all the weathers in a day when I tell you. So anyway, I got this fabulous little cutesy wootsy top from Primark in collaboration with Rita Ora, and then the skirt is an old skirt that I got from Tommy Hilfiger when I was working at Tommy Hilfiger in California. So this skirt is about, oh my God, 18 years old, maybe even 20 years old. I wear a lot of old clothes, my darlings, because I keep a lot of stuff. I like to buy quality, one. And you must be saying for me, why are you trying to explain? I'm getting there. I buy a lot of quality clothes, and I buy a lot of high street, clothes as well. And as you very well know, I've had a baby, I've gained weight, I've lost weight. So sometimes when I see the potential in some clothes, I just keep them in storage, and I wrap them up. And then when I feel confident to think, at this stage in my life, maybe I can wear this, then I wear it. For me, what are you talking about? Alrighty, I'm getting there. I know, with the dress. I got a message, and this is what she says. Every dresses she wears, she's had it forever. She will never admit to I bought it so you don't ask the cost. Lie detected. I said, what? I'm too old, I'm 55. So my response was, darling, why don't you take a screenshot of my dresses and check them on Google? You have to make sure that what you say about me is true, darling, because I'm the queen of receipts. Yes, I am. And so the dress that she was talking about, hello, my darlings, do we live? Do we love? I've had this dress forever, and I just thought, you know what, why don't I wear it today? You know what I love about this dress, and I'm going to show you. It is because it's got the detail all over and around. I just live for it. Just look. Fabulous, and it's at the knee, so it's still kind of what will I say, tasteful. I like mini skirts, but when it's like this, baby, I want to wear it everywhere. You can wear it to weddings, you can wear it to a party. I am filming, and so I got this out of storage. I kind of forgot that it was there. So yes, mama, I've been eating my salads and I've been minding my business. I love this city of minding my business and eating my salads. It serves me well. Yeah. I live for it. All right, darlings, gotta go. Ah, my God, it was too funny. The dress that she was talking about was this dress that I bought from Celeb Boutique 15 years ago. 15 years ago. I live and I love this dress. Let me just take it from the inside out, and you can see all of the beading. Yeah, this is it here. And I bought this dress. Ula actually bought this dress for me in Scotland. We went to Glasgow to go and see Uncle Sam. I was living in Norway at the time. And this is it right here. There you go. Celeb Boutique. And so what I did was that I said, you know what, for me, Google it as well, so that you can see maybe it comes up, and it did come up. for how much? I think $24, because of course as time goes by it no longer holds the original value. So I beg your pardon, it retails for $4.20, the Celeb Boutique midi dress, and this one is in medium, and as you can clearly see, it is the dress that I have. So I just wanted you guys to know that I'm much older than you. I'm 55, so I've lived quite a bit, and there are some dresses that one buys and you keep. And this dress is actually going to go to the dry cleaners because it's soiled on the side. But as you get older and you've had children, and you know, you've lived a bit of a life, you will see that your body changes, and there are some dresses that you still say, I will wear you. I don't know when, but I will wear you. I just had to put the receipt out there because putting that comment out there, you unconsciously, you might not know it, you put out a narrative that is not true about somebody that you do not know. This person obviously watches me a lot and feels that every time it's an old dress. A lot of them are old dresses. I don't throw my things away. I buy new ones, and I will tell you what the price is. Ask me, I'll tell you what it is. I'm too old to tell lies. One. Secondly, if you lie on YouTube, you're digging your grave, because there is somebody that will go out there to go and get all of the tea and the juice. I don't do that. You ask me a question, I'll give you an answer. So I just thought I'd put that out there. Needless to say, Wendy Williams has been spotted. What? Yes, Wendy Williams was spotted, and we live and we love to see it. Wendy Williams was spotted out shopping with her son Kevin Jr. in a recent photo. And I am so happy to deliver this news, because a lot of you say, Fumi, what's happening to Wendy? I don't know, Mama. I will keep up with the news as much as I can. And if there's anything out there, anything positive about Wendy, you know me, I absolutely will come out here and let you know. It looks like she's put on some weight. She's looking healthy. She's looking happy. And this is what we want for her. Her son is her son. Her son is what? Her son. Adrian is my son. Adrian will be my son to the day I die. Nothing will change. Regardless of whatever happens, that is my son. That's my flesh and blood. And family is interesting, because we on the outside, we can say this, that, and the third, but we really do not know. And all I wish for Wendy is the very best. The other day I was sitting down and I was just going through my archives, because I'm going to do a story of my life through pictures. I think it's time. I've been on YouTube for 10 years. And as you very well know, for those of you that are Fumi Nation followers, Wendy and I met. And we met in Las Vegas. I had gone to Las Vegas because I had gone to a seminar, not necessarily, not a seminar, a convention. And I had also gone during pilot season of where you could be an hopeful for a television show. I, as a host, television host, I was looking for a home. I was looking to where I could get hired as a hosting daytime talk show personality. And as I was walking through the hotel, I bumped into Wendy Williams. Wendy actually was on crutches. Upon reflection, that was the beginning of the beginning with her issues with her feet. And there was a huge crowd, because Wendy was huge that time. And I stood and I looked at her for so many reasons. I thought she was funny. I thought she was entertaining. You should have seen, it was like bees to honey around her. Her confidence, we are the same height. And the smile was magic. And she was the one that said, let her come through. And she was pointing at me because she had security and everything. And I was like, more? And she said, yeah. And I came on through. And she said, what are you doing, girl? Because we were wearing similar dresses. She was wearing a DVF dress, and I was wearing an animal print dress that I think I got in for BB. And I said, I'm out here in these streets trying to get a home. I'm a television host personality. I live out in California. And she said, well, I wish you the very best. I think you can do it, baby. That's how she spoke to me. And she was so endearing. And she said, don't let these people get the better of you. And that was the inside joke of when we both laughed. And I said, Wendy, I wish you the best. And Wendy said, oh, no, let me take off my crutches. And take that picture so they don't see my crutches. And I said, yes, I will. And it was a moment in time for me where she wanted me to do well. Go right ahead, do you, don't let them overwhelm you, push for the show, you know. And I wish you the best, Wendy. I wish you the best. My heart is, I hope that I do get a show one day, or I do come to your show, you do come back. Some way, somehow, we are on a platform where we can kiki. I would live and love that. But before that, I wish you the best of health. And to see you out here in the street shopping or going for lunch, or you're with your son, you're even healthy enough, confident enough to go ahead and take pictures with your fans. That's a good day. That's a good thing. That's a good step in the right direction. I wish you the very best. I wish your family the very best. Those that are riding with you, I wish you guys the best too, because it's a little bit quiet out here in these daytime talk show streets without you. Yes, it is. And I saw it in the comments. Who would have known? But it's facts. So, Wendy, God bless you, Mama. I wish you all the best. Like I've said again, I'm repeating myself. I think I was just really excited. I sat up. I really sat up. And I was like, Wendy is looking kind of sort of okay. Wishing her the best. Let her come through. Let her come through. Because this is life. This is life. And we have our ups and our downs. And when we're down, you stay hopeful. And when you are up, you stay humble. And that's what I know in my older years. When you know better, you do better. And it's all positivity. Even the girl that was accusing me, lies detected. No, Mama. No, Mama. Everything is real out here in these streets. You must be a new Fumi Nation, or a Fumi Nation not at all, maybe an observer. But we out here, we're positive, and we share. And we share, and we give, and we support. Definitely, dementia, it is one of my charities, because Christina's father passed away from dementia. And so I am a huge advocate for dementia, of which Wendy Williams has. And that's what my channel is all about. And the true Fumi Nation family members know that that is what it's all about. It's about positivity. It's about giving back. It's about love. It's about sharing. It's about taking the elevator button and pushing it for it to go back down and pick your sisters up. That is what I would give to this young girl. Try to be positive. Don't try to be negative. And always look for the good in people, Because ultimately, my darling, that is what you want people to look to you and to give to you opportunities that you are hungry for, and to make life better for you, and to bring light into your life, even where you might feel dark. Don't sink into that shallow grave. Don't sink into that rabbit hole and begin now to reflect negativity on others. Okay, my darling? All of my love. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, my darlings. And I will see you what? I will see you sooner than later. All of my love.